I was fine, just a guy living on my own, waiting for the sky to fall. Then you called and changed it all. Oh, velvet lips and the eyes to pull me in. We both know you'd already win. Your original sin. You fooled me once with your eyes, now honey. You fooled me twice with your lies, and I say Sarah smiles like Sarah doesn't care. She lives in a world so unaware. Does she know that my destiny lies with her? Sarah smiles like Sarah doesn't